ancient ruins, new life shall spring, as we raise up foundations of old. Your faithful hands guide our offering, as the story of grace is retold. Repair of broken walls, restorer of streets with dwellings. Your people will rebuild what has fallen, and your glory will shine once again. The crumbled stones of yesterday become pillars of hope for today. Your promise guides us on our way, as we walk in your light, come what may. Repair of broken walls, restorer of streets with dwellings. Your people will rebuild what has fallen, and your glory will shine once again. In each broken place, we see your face. In each restored home, your love is shown. Through our hands, your work is done. By your strength, the victory is won. Final repairer of broken walls, restorer of streets with dwellings. Your people will rebuild what has fallen, and your glory will shine once again. Your glory will shine once again.